So magandang araw mga Kamag family. Sa araw na ito ay nag-come out kami ng aking mga apo, no? Kasi nga palagi lang nasa bahay, tapos eskwela, nasa syudad. Kaya ito gusto kong maranasan nila yung buhay sa nayon. Kaya dinala ko sila sa isang lugar dito sa Pamplona, Negros Oriental. At ito na. So ito ang medyo simula ng aming adventure. So makikita nyo ay dinala ko sila kaagad sa fish pond ng kasi naking asawa. Tapos ito, katapos doon nag-drawing. At ito na, gumawa na kami ng yung tent nila ay
so we are here at the fish pond.
Ginawa ko na.
Okay. So no Sabrina, be careful, you might fall.
So kita nyo yan, nasa ilalim kami ng Kanyugan.
What about you?
At medyo malayo yan sa syudad. Nasa mga isang oras ang aming binahe bago umabot dyan. Subalin, hindi yan malayo sa kalsada, no? So tingnan nyo, kapalimutan talaga ng
camping. How's your camp? Is it okay? Is it not hot? Oh, let me lead to the surroundings of the campsite of the baby twins. Having a camping. Yeah. So what will you do? Will you do a camp pile? Or later, huh? When it will be dark. Okay. So this is a farmland. Yan. Okay. So you use my. Are you going to use my cell phone?
Look at the favorite school.
Where will I place the chair? I will place the chair here if you want to.
We want a bike.
No, where?
Here.
What for now? You can sleep there if you want to.
I want to sit down. Daddy, where's my habol?
It's there. It's there.
I want to sit down, Daddy. I'm sorry. Touch.
You want me to put this one inside?
Yeah.
No. This one, but this one. You want me to put it inside?
No.
There, put it there.
No.
It's just here.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
I will place the drawing too. You will get the drawing too.
Yeah. You said, oh no! This is yours. You said, oh no! Oh no! No, you use this. Oh no! No, not like that. No. You said, oh no! Good boy!
Give me the cell phone. I'll take video photos of you. For a while. It's on. Kaon lagi, baby. Wow, the 360 degrees of the camping of the girls. What are you doing? What's that toy? There's a 360 degrees. There. There they are. Hello, Sakia and Sabrina. Hello. You can sleep now if you want to. We will have bonfire and when you wake up.
We're on sleeping time. We're on the campings. And my sister's playing this. Look at what I'm doing. No? Boom, 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 boom.
I will eat first, babies. Babies, off the video. Sige, off the video, off. Then stop again later. Okay. So I will eat, babies. I will eat first. Hindi na ulit, ha? You take blood, Sakia. Take your blood.
How can touch your TV?
What is that, baby? What is that, baby?
He touched his nose and he closed his eyes.
Yeah. Be careful, it might bite you. Do not put it too close in your mouth. It might bite you. Hmm? You put it and I'll take photo. No. You have? Which is Sabrina's? The name of your turtle is? And yours is? Okay, wow. God, it's so early for them to have the bonfire. See, they're having the bonfire now. So early. Look. Look. They're having the bonfire. Sit down now. So that, Sabrina, Sakia, I'd like to take a picture of you sitting down. Ready? Sit down. Sit down now. Okay, that's good. Okay, Sakia is now sitting down. Yes. Sabrina, faster. Sakia. Woo. Okay, then both of you sit down. Yes, wow, with the bonfire and they're camping. Let me see your tent, Wow. Oh, grabe. With tent and with your snacks. Okay, this is what they learned. They're trying to make a pit because they're going to place something in that. Huh? Yeah.
Ngunit bakit di pa rin pansin ito? Ako na nga lahat ang naglalaba. Ako pa rin lagi ang namahan sa namamalay.
Go